I suffer from short-term memory loss.
Yes!
That's exactly what you say.
Okay. We'll pretend to be the other kids now. Hi, Dory!
Ahoy there! Do you want to play hide and seek?
Okay.
We'll hide, and you count and come find us.
Okay, Daddy.
No, not Daddy. I'm the nice fish who wants to be your friend. Okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Now,
I'm hiding!
now count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4. I like sand. Sand is squishy. Mommy, can I go play with them?
Dory? My family! I remember my family! They're out there somewhere. I have to find them. Guys, you gotta help me, guys! Guys, hello? Guys! Where are you? Hello?
Dory,
Ah! Where did you go?
you were the one to go.
My parents! I remembered them! What did you remember? I remembered them! My mom! My dad! I have a family! They don't know where I am. Let's go. We have to go.
No.
Memory is the chain that connects our past to our present. If it breaks, we are left untethered, incapable of living the present moment, and unable to embrace the future. Technically, memory is learning that has persisted over time, information that has been stored and, in many cases, can be recalled. Our memories are typically accessed in three different ways: through recall, recognition, and relaying. Recall is how you reach back in your mind and recap information, just as you do fill in the blank test. Recognition, meanwhile, is more like a multiple choice test. You only need to identify all information when presented with tick. Relaying is sort of like refreshing or reinforcing all information.
Auditory rehearsal. This is more a role of repetition of memories. It involves repeating information all the time in order to process and store as memory. For example, if you are studying for a presentation and you are with your mom, moms always will tell you that you have to repeat it again and again. Why? Because this makes you memorize everything for your presentation the next day. This is a best example for rehearsal auditory. This demands temporally central attention to lead behavioral decrements in accuracy on response time, revealing that this attention is focused on capacity limiting information processing in memory. Central and visual spatial information. This refers to the capacity of each person to identify visual and spatial relationships among objects, keeping in mind the ability to measure shapes and understand the difference between them.
Procedural memory is a part of the long-term memory that is responsible for knowing how to do things, also known as motor skills. How it works. Procedural memories start to form very early in life. As you begin to learn how to walk, talk, eat, play, etc., these memories become so ingrained that they are almost automatic. You don't need to consciously think about how to perform these motor skills. You simply do them without much thought. Learning how to walk or writing are great examples. Once this action is learned, you don't need to consciously remind yourself of how the process works. Your procedural memory takes over and allows to perform the skills without thinking about it. For activities like learning how to drive a car or to ride a bike, you simply practice them so often that they become ingrained.
Some tools to remember easily. The first one is mnemonics, that are different methods to remember information that is difficult to recall. And the second one is chunking, that is organizing items into get familiar with a topic.
How well you can retain your data can depend on how deep you dig through the different levels of processing. Well, and I have two different forms to processing. Deep processing refers to one of the extreme ends of the level processing spectrum of mental recall through analysis of the language used. Deep processing requires the use of semantic processing. Words work together to create the meaning, which create a much stronger memory trace. Shallow processing encoding information on basic auditory or visual levels based on the sound, structure, or appearance of a word.
Woohoo! We did it! We did it! Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah! No eating here tonight! Woo! Eating here tonight!
No, eating here tonight.
Dory.
You're on a diet.
Dory!
We...
So what did it say? What did the mask say?
P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. I remembered what it said. I usually forget things, but I remembered it that time. P. Sherman,
Oh,
42...
wait. Now, where is that?
I don't know. But who cares? Ha-ha! I remembered it! P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. I remembered it again!